So I want to show how to fix elastic on side. So you must have fixed your zip. I decided to fix my zip this way. So, and then the band, remember you cut your band, I just attached it directly. This is a jean material, and then I'll fix my dart. I fix my dart on these two places here and on this place. See that? Okay, so I'm supposed to measure. You know, this is my side, right? This is my side. This is the second side. So my focus now is on the dart to dart. So I want to measure from one dart, this point of the dart from the back and to the front. So I want to measure it. I think I have 11 inches. Look at my side, is in my middle. Are you seeing that? So I have 11.5. So when I divide it by 2, I think I will have about 6 inches. So the elastic on the side, I'm cutting 6 inches. Just the measure. You can add seam allowance also. That's it. So I added my seam allowance. It's almost 7. So this is how I'm going to be sewing it. I don't want to make the video too lengthy. Are you seeing that? So to show it again, I measured my dart from this front to this back, and the figure I got, I divided it by 2, and I used it to cut this. So this is how I'm going to start sewing it now. Observe this place. See the way I did my band. You can decide to even make it to have hook, but I want to sew mine such that to go down like that with the zip. So where's the first thing I'm doing? You are not sewing on the joining. So this is my dart, the dart line. I'll sew it onto this point, from this point to the back point also. Are you seeing that? So the first thing I'll do is to join it on each point. Okay, so I'm sewing it onto this point. Are you seeing the dart line? You're not going to let it cross the joining line. So it's from here, just put it on this point and you sew. Okay, so I've done it for one side. Are you seeing that? On the second side of the dart. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is I'll turn this one like this. So I'll turn this my band. You know, I already fixed my zip. I can just put it somewhere here. Okay, so are you seeing the way I bend the band? The band can be about 2 inches band, or let's say 2.5, depending on how you can measure it or manage it. Okay, so are you seeing that now? So this is where my elastic is. Are you seeing that? That's to cover it. So I'll just keep sewing. Are you seeing that? So when I'm getting to this place, I may just pull it so that it does not affect anything. Are you seeing that? So when I get to this part, I'll pull it. Seeing that? So I'll pull it and sew. Okay, so this is the way I did that. Remember how we did it. So this is how your elastic will be. So if you are going to this is a jean material. Seeing that? So you zip, so it goes around like that. Listen. So if you are going to put your elastic round your waist, so this person's waist now, this person's waist is our waist is around 40. So you're going to cut your elastic to be, are you seeing? This one is like 19. You're going to cut your elastic to be like 19 inches or even 20, depending on how you want it, or even put it around your waist. You put your elastic around your waist, the one that is very comfortable for you. That's what you're going to use to pass around your band. You'll have fixed your band and you just pass it through round. So do you see that? So try yours and show.